Hello. So I designed and 3D printed HK-47 and I want to show you how to assemble him. This figure has 6 points of articulations. That means you will have to print 6 pins and you have to put those pins into the pin sockets. I recommend to use some pliers because you will have to apply some force. Not too much, but some force. And articulation shouldn't be too tight, it shouldn't be too loose. That's why I included different pin sizes, because also depending on your machine, on your slicer, and your print settings, your pins are going to be slightly different than the ones that came out of my 3D printer. Alright, so this is almost done, and now I realized that I mounted the chest backwards, but that's not a problem. Oh, by the way, if the pin is too tight, you can try to bend it slightly, applying some force with the pliers. Now the neck is inside, and that's it. HK-47 can hold 3.75 inches figure guns, as you can see, and that's pretty much it. Articulations not too loose, not too tight, so that's fine. Thanks for watching. Bye.